Hello dear friends, today discussion about the topic Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act. Adoption mean we have legally custody of the one child, or male or female. Maintenance mean we have pay the amount for living, for food and bed purpose. We can maintenance amount also we can allot from the honorable court also. In this act, title also clearly can show the title Hindu Adopted and Hindu Maintenance Act also there. In this act, clearly can give the instructions from the only Hindus only there. One point. Second thing is an adoption of child between the age. Suppose example, we have age also there. Age which age we can specifically we have age not as mandatory. We can interest of the person to adopt the child. The child legally is a transparent and legally we have without forcing. We have no force. We never any forced or we consent of the child natural mother father or legally guardian also there. They have guardian, natural guardian and court can appointed one guardian or any orphan homes also there. We have child is become Hindu is a child, we can adoption from the child, we have applicable from the child also only Hindu Marriage Act also. The child once take the adoption, the child we can maintainable from the Succession Act only. Succession Act means we have share from the property. Succession Act and Hindu Marriage Act and all the Hindu acts also applicable the child only. Then after future also, the present now the child have natural guardian or guardian appointed as a guardian as a Hindu adoption, as a Hindu maintenance also we can maintenance also we can pay the maintenance only there. Mainly we have interest of the person. Interest of the person. The person can be very interested from the adopt the one child. The child is a male or female. Okay. The child also adoption we can take the adoption mean we have child all rights also naturally we can coming from the all rights. What type of the rights coming? They have all type of the coming the rights only.